guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul, so today is a special Dollar Tree haul because I am collaborating with Christina from Christina Coupons with You, and she is a fellow couponer here on YouTube, but she also really enjoys the Dollar Tree. So I originally stumbled upon her channel from Madison Pippin, so they did a Dollar Tree collaboration, and Christina did couponing at the Dollar Tree. So once I heard she is a couponer, and then I heard that she loves the Dollar Tree, I knew that we would be instant friends. So she actually participated in my Dollar Tree challenge for Halloween costumes, and she did a really great scarecrow costume, and I fell in love with that flannel floral she was wearing. Not the flannel floral, the thermal floral, which I have not been able to find. So Christina, I'm really jealous of that shirt of yours. I haven't been able to find it, but we are collaborating on this Dollar Tree haul. So if you are not subscribed to her channel, make sure you go and head to her channel, subscribe to her channel, and comment a pineapple emoji if you are coming from my channel to hers, so she knows I sent you. And if you are coming from Christina's channel to mine, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I post a lot of couponing content, but I also do a lot of mommy related content, hauls, all sorts of stuff. So if you like a variety of content, then my channel is the place you want to be. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into the Dollar Tree haul. And Christina, thank you so much for collaborating with me on this video. If I'm nasally and drinking from this big honkin' jug of water, it's because I am sick. Moms are not supposed to get sick, but it has happened. So thank you, Llewellyn, for my huge pineapple cup. This is 64 ounces of water that this mama needs to chug. I rarely take cold medicine, and I took Advil cold and sinus, and everything is just like dripping out of me. Like, I never take cold medicine, and now that I have it in my system, everything is just dripping. It's just dripping. I hate it. Now I know my grandma always kept like a little tissue tucked in her sleeve of her sweatshirt. Did your grandmas do that, where they kept a little like tissue tucked into her sweatshirt? Because one of the many memories I have of my grandmother. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into it. So the first thing I picked up is something I actually sent off to a friend already, but it was Harry Potter wrapping paper. So I found it, and one of my good friends in Virginia, she loves Harry Potter. So her birthday's coming up, and I literally took all of the wrapping off the roll. I folded it up and I sent it in her birthday package. So I'm so excited for her to open that up because she is obsessed with Harry Potter. So I am so happy I was able to snag that for her. The next thing I picked up is some more wrapping. So I got this, I think it's the Marvel. I'm not tuned into the superhero movies, but I think this is Marvel. But my cousin-in-law, Lisa, which I mentioned her already, she does have a channel, so check her out. Her kids love superheroes, and heck, who am I kidding? She loves superheroes too. So she is getting some superhero wrapping from my family. And then I also picked this up. This is some Mickey Mouse wrapping. So this is gonna be for Sawyer. I really like to get the kids fun wrapping for the holiday time, so I picked that up. And then I picked up these two sleighs. So this one says, Let It Snow with the snowman. And then I also picked up the Merry Christmas with the Santa and the reindeer. So I picked these up. I'm probably gonna put them right outside my front door. So I picked those up. And then I picked this sign up. It says, "'Tis the Season." And I'm gonna be doing a DIY for this one. So definitely stay tuned to see how I recreate this sign right here. I'm super excited for it. So yeah, I picked this up. It is I think it's pretty like thick wood. Like, look at how thick this is. It's not flimsy. It's not gonna, you know, bend or anything. So I was really excited to pick this up. So snagged that. There were so many signs, you guys, so many signs. It was hard not to snag all of them. So then I picked up some coloring books. So this is the Nutcracker and Sweets. So I picked this up. I got one for Sawyer, one for Scarlett, and the retail price on these were $5.95. So in a regular store, these are going for $5.95. I don't know who would have paid that much for this coloring book, but yeah, that's how much the retail was. And my mother-in-law and I are taking Scarlett to the Nutcracker, so I thought that she would be excited to have a Nutcracker coloring book. And fun fact about me, that's actually what I collect. for my decor pieces, I collect nutcrackers because I absolutely love them. So I picked those up. And then I picked up 2 more coloring books because you can never have too many coloring books in the house to keep the kids, you know, busy. So I picked these up. It's the Wild Jungle, and it's 100% recycled paper. So I thought that was cool that this is recycled paper. And there is not a like retail value on this coloring book, but I picked these up. And then I picked these up for the kids' rooms. I thought it was really fun. They are from the Christmas Tree House, and these are wall decals. So I picked this one up. It has the penguins and the presents and the sleigh. And then I also picked this up. This is just a season's greetings, and it has Santa and the Christmas tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this up in the kids' rooms. I thought that this was really creative, and even if someone maybe is in college and you guys want to pick these up and just have kind of like a Christmas tree like on your wall, that could be fun. But yeah, I thought these were really fun for $1, so I'm excited to hang those. And then I saw a bunch of new notebooks. So the one that I was drawn to says, grow through what you go through. And I just love having these types of quotes on my notebooks because it definitely inspires me, especially when I am, you know, down on myself sometimes. It's nice to have an inspirational message when I'm jotting down my notes. So the next thing I picked up were these 2 wooden signs, and this is from Greenbrier. So apparently these are good. Greenbrier is a good company, but I picked up this little snowman sign right here. This is a wood sign, and I loved the detail of the plaid on his bow tie. And then I picked this one up. This is the Santa, so I picked him up, and I just thought that these are really great for $1. So I did do a box swap with some ladies here on YouTube, and I ran out of tags, so I needed to pick up some Post-it notes. So I picked some Post-it notes up because I needed them to put on the box. And then I picked up this little scarf right here. So it has foxes on it and birds. And I'm actually going to use this as wrapping on a gift. So I wanted to, you know, spruce up just a regular wrapped gift and spruce it up and include the scarf right here. So I thought that that was a really cute scarf. And then I picked up some magnets. So I put these on my dishwasher for the kids whenever the season changes. But there's the Santa Claus and snowman and reindeer and present and December 25th. So I picked this up for the kids. And then I also picked up another one of the melatonin gummies. These help me so much get such a good night's sleep. So I'm happy I found another package of those. So this is everything that I picked up from my Dollar Tree. I also took a bunch of pictures for you guys. I love how Nicole Burgess and Llewellyn snap a bunch of pictures and share with you guys some items that are in their Dollar Trees. I think Brittany Tolberg also does this sometimes too. So I'm going to start doing that, so I'm not, you know, buying the whole entire Dollar Tree, but I definitely would like to share with you guys some other things that I spotted at my Dollar Tree. So there are going to be some pictures at the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you go and check out Christina. I will have her channel linked below. Definitely go and check out her Dollar Tree and see what she snags. So she lives on the East Coast, so it's always fun to see what West Coast Dollar Trees have versus what East Coast Dollar Trees have. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.